Hello guys, today I will show with you how to insert citation and WPS office. First step, open your document and WPS office and insert to want insert citation and start document, create new open existing file and go to reference and step 2 the tab and WPS office reference tab where you find tools related to citation and bibliography. Navigates tab to access the citation features. Step 3, insert a citation and go your reference tab. Option related bibliography typically provide features and citation and click option open citation mean. And step 4, choose your citation style. And step 5, file the citation detail and your affirmation. And step 6, insert the citation and increase the file necessary detail, click insert. And step 7, update manage citation. Thanks guys for watching this video.